Hi everyone. So the news story that I've chosen to speak about, or in fact to link it to the agenda setting theory from the new paper, is about NUS Monica Baey's news. We all know that this news has been trending over the past few weeks and it's still trending right now. So first I'll speak about the media role in society. So media has in mirror. Why? Because this really reflects to the current situation, the current event, and also this news is really very important because this news speaks about sexual harassment, and sexual harassment is actually one of the least topics spoken out in Singapore. This news also involves a lot of public opinion because we all know that Monica Baey posted a lot in social media. She also gave an opening wide scope for everyone. She even put out her email address for people to send her the direct messages and emails and their opinions about what is happening in order to earn her support. So now let's relate this back to the agenda setting theory. This does involve prior knowledge and visual cues because first of all this news really gives us a thought to think about how serious this thing is, and also when it comes to the newspapers, like it is really like flashing off everywhere. So speaking about visual cues, let's check it out. So here we can see the positioning of the newspaper. So right after the headline of the news produced company, we can see that this is the Monica's Base news and it's really huge. In fact, this news has basically taken up almost the entire page. We can see like the headline is huge. There's a picture of Monica Baey here, and yeah, the other newses are just like probably in the side. So the positioning of the news is like really like huge and it's just right there. So from this we can actually get a conclusion of how serious this news is and how much the paper itself is like trying to tell us like, look, like this news is very important. It's just like it's like pretty serious. So yes, so now I'll be linking it up to the news values. The first news value is timeliness. So basically, Monica Baey, once this incident has happened to her, she had posted it on social media at first, and this news story was like posted like Singapore wide right after about 2 to 3 days. And not just that, it is still happened, like this news is still ongoing, it's still pretty recent, and it's still very trendy. The next thing is about proximity. Why proximity? Because first of all, this is NUS. NUS is one of the very worldwide known universities. In fact, many people's dream school when it comes to universities is NUS. And NUS is like, this is really affecting the students over there. It could also be affecting the students who are like graduating and wanting to go to NUS school. It could also affect the reputation. In fact, I would also be linking this to impact. Why impact? Because this news is happening in Singapore, and in Singapore, as mentioned earlier, sexual harassment is a very like unspoken topic. It's a very rare topic, and it's actually a very big thing right now, and it's like ongoing and ongoing and ongoing. So that is why it's also very impactful, this news is. The next one is human interest. Human interest is because this news is really playing with our emotions, and this is also affecting a lot of people's emotion because nobody actually like it that a guy has done this to a girl who's studying in NUS. And especially for anybody related to Monica Baey, for people who are for Monica Baey, it's actually yeah, yes, the point is it's the human interest here is like it's hitting the strong emotions. Okay, finally, this is very unusual because has spoken has mentioned like 2 times earlier sexual harassment. It's a very rare topic. For this incident to be done in Singapore, it's a huge thing because over the past few years, like I don't think I have heard a news about sexual harassment in this country. And also like it's basically just very rare to hear it about this incident in this country. So it's pretty much unusual. In fact, in simpler words, it's unexpected. So here are the opinions of why eugenics hearing has been used towards this NUS news of Monica's Baey. So hope it's very clear. This is Juliana signing off. Peace.